Hi, I am Mr. Gold, and I am an Energy Tech High School teacher. I wanted to say congratulations to the class of 2020. Whether you are a family member or a friend of one of the students who is graduating, we are very, very proud of them. We have one way that we thought would be fun and easy for you to send them a nice message would be to use a program called Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a free and pretty easy website that you can use to make a funny or serious video and send it directly to your student or your friend. So let's get started. So in your search bar, you would just type in flipgrid.com. It's going to bring up the same page I have right now, but flipgrid.com, and you hit enter, and this is where we are. Now, you're going to go to Educator Sign Up. I know that might sound weird, but I'm a family member, I'm a friend. Doesn't matter. Educator Sign Up, place to go. Take a look. So, Educator Sign Up, go out, you hit that, and you're going to go into sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. Most people have a Gmail account. If you don't, you can make those for free and then use this. So if you hit sign up with Google, it's going to come up with your email addresses. I'm going to use this one here, the Instagram for Energy Tech Pets. eTech Pets is our Instagram handle. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name, which for today is going to be eTech. My last name is going to be Pets. And grade, age of your learner community. So we're going to go into high school, country region. I'm going to put in the United States, and let's see if it'll let me not put my date of birth in here. It's going to make me put in my date of birth. Well, everybody's going to know just how old I am now. So, there we go. Yep, scrolling down, not that far. No, yep, 1984. All right. So, you go ahead and you hit let's go. And now it'll let me go. And once it loads, welcome to Flipgrid. So, it literally will walk you through. You go to start Flipgrid, name your grid. All right, name what you want it to be called. So let's say we want it congrats. Congrats, grad. I know, I'm not that creative. I'm more creative other times. So it says grid types that can make it easy to control who can join. So you can put Google or share a public grid with education in your network. I would probably go ahead and say use the school email because they all of your students have one. So if I hit school email, I hit next. Now it says we added your school email already. Add your student school email if it's different from yours. So this is where you're going to add your student's email. For this, I'm going to add my Energy Tech email. So bgold@energytechhs.org. Your student should know their email address. If for any reason they don't, have them reach out to the main office. But bgold@energytechhs.org. And I hit next. And my grid is ready. And so now I'm going to go to my grid. So when I go to the grid, at the moment, it's blank. But now you've shared it, and so you can go ahead and make something for them, and your whole family can. And you can invite them to this exact same grid so that you, your family, your students' friends, everybody can put messages in the same place, and then you can send it to the student and say, hey, come take a look at this. So by doing that, you can do congrats grad, right? You can copy this link here. There's also, depending on, you can copy the code. That's probably your best bet. But basically, it's a really easy way to do it. So let's move on to making the actual Flipgrid. All right, so I have clicked into the topic here. just in case you missed that. Once you click in, so congrats grad, I clicked into the topic, and then I hit record a response. So once I hit record a response, it's going to come up with this, and now I can go ahead and do the video, or I can also add things to it. So here is, right now it's recording, and then I can hit pause. The great thing about it is you can have just a regular recording, and then I can add things. So I can add a filter, right? So cool colors. They're actually warm colors. And then if I wanted, I can add congratulations. Actually, it's congratulations. Yeah, to be clever, right? And then I can take that and I can put it wherever I want in the video, and then I can go ahead and continue filming, or I can add other things. So I pause it again, and now I'm going to add stickers. So recently used, because I've done this before, is class of 2020. It'll pop up, and then you can move it where you want. You can turn it. You can make it bigger or smaller. And then if you really want to have some fun with it, you can add this little hat. There are 3 different colors of hats. You just have to size it to your head. My hair is out of control. So I've got that. And you can also draw. So let's say I just want, I don't know, let's say I just want to like outline this lamp for fun. I can do that. And then I can start the video, pause the video. There's also this board you can pull up. In the board, it will give you the option to draw. So if you want to, I can draw something. You can also get rid of what you already have. So if you bring the board up and you hit clear, it's going to just give you a clear board. And then if you go back to anything else, except for stickers, because it's going to bring you to stickers, go to filters. It should, hold on. There we go. Go to board and clear boards. There you go. It also cleared everything else on the board, on the screen, as you noticed. And I can keep recording, and then pause it if I want. I can also add a sticker of a photo. So if I want to take a photo of a student or a family, this happens to be a photo of me in December wearing the ugliest Christmas sweater most people had ever seen. You can put that in the video and then continue to record. And then I have a short little fun message for them. So then what I can do is I hit next, and it is going to play it for you. As you see, it's doing exactly what we just did, and it's moving things around. And you can then go and add more if you want, or you can go ahead and hit next. And then you get to add this cool little picture of yourself. It can be whatever you want. I like for the grad ones to do it with the hat. Let's just go ahead and find a different hat. Do a red hat. And you can be fun with it. You can be serious with it. It doesn't matter. Put the hat right there. And how about we get one more sticker, and let's see, graduation. Let's just do it easy. Congrats, grad. And I can put that right here. And then smile because you're on camera. In that case, I didn't smile. And you hit next. Now it's going to go through and say, make sure you're all set so you can display your name. Now we'll just put eTech Pets. If you want to put a title on it, you can. So you could say like, this can be your message. Congratulations, grad. You did it. And then you're going to go down to submit video. And now your video is all set. You hit complete. So now you have gotten back to the home screen, and you can go ahead and share it with them be a link right there, or you can also hit actions and you can download the videos or download the selfie. And yeah, so you're all set to go with that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at bgold@energytechhs.org, and I will do everything I can to help you. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and congratulations again to the class of 2020.